Another day, another dollar. So let's have a quick review on what's going on with gold. As mentioned in yesterday analysis, we had this very healthy retracement and very expected after we could say 400 between 400 and 450 USD move to the upside, very sustained move. As you can see, I have here all the higher highs and lower lows, and well, actually higher highs and lower highs created by the bullish run. Very tiny retracements compared with the ones that we have today. As mentioned, it seems like we were creating a bull flag yesterday. We don't trade patterns, we don't even try to predict. That was just merely a kind of a guide for us to see what happens next. What we have is a very solid resistance here at 2401 or 2400. Very very good zone for price to not break at this point, because the only two times that price managed to break was the last all-time high and this previous manipulation that we had some comments and news that day. So mainly this is the retracement that price was expecting. Why? Because we already broke these lower lows, and this previous lower high that it printed, this was very important. So as you can see, I had this area. I don't trade anything or try to, well, I do trade. What I mean is I'm not trying to predict or trying to go with the trend. I just react based in whatever happens. So today we had this Asia session, today Tuesday. So we have this big push breaking this area that it's very major. This is the 4-hour time frame. So in case we have a consolidation below these two lows, this means that price wants to get to this other liquid zone that has other traders trapped, and from there we have this big one. So in case price keeps pushing to the downside, we will have another visit to this area, because as mentioned, gold tends to very aggressively go bearish or gives very big candles to the downside. So don't expect something sustained as the trend we already had with, or the bullish trend we previously had, because this structure seems to be breaking. Not yet. We continue very bullish, not only by technical but also by fundamentals. USD is very weak against gold, and pretty much everyone is very strong against the dollar at this point due to inflation and rates. And tomorrow we have a very good indicator for at least USA and maybe for gold to take a hit and continue the bearish run. We have flash manufacturer, and then we have until Thursday, sorry, we have the other indicators that might give hopes to the USA to at least not to recover right now, but good indications that the Fed might lower the rates in the future. So currently just try to react based in whatever the market is giving. I have these three levels very solid for me in case price goes down, and I have this as the major resistance for price to recover the bullish momentum. And if we manage to break here and consolidate, of course we're gonna break the all-time high, because as mentioned, technical and fundamentals are telling us that gold is really bullish, even though we are having this retracement that it's normal. This is very sustained and healthy, necessary we could say, and don't even discard that big players are pushing down the price so they can buy at cheaper prices or lower prices. So try just to react based on that, because for example today we at the market open I saw the price not very high volatility or very liquid we could say. So I started taking positions around this between this area or these weeks. I managed to close after this push in this week, so I really quickly in and out the market, not risking too much. And per investing portfolios, well, nothing yet. After we closed already this cycle, I had a very good push here that gave me the exit that I needed. So right now it's very low risk for me, the trading range. So I'm just chilling, I'm back testing and modeling my long-term portfolio in my model. In case someone wants to check my portfolios, you can go to my Telegram channel. It will be pinned in the description. And that will be it for today. So let's just react, mark your charts, and keep your levels tight. Have a good day.